If you are watching this, then you just probably got crazy from trying Google Sheets and Excel formulas to just deduplicate a list, and you are asking yourself, is deduplication really that hard? No, it's not. Deduplication is easy if you use the right tool. Such a tool is Datablist.com. Datablist.com is a free AI platform for automating data sourcing, enrichment, and cleaning workflows. So you just press a few buttons and then the list will be automatically deduplicated without any complex formulas or anything else that just drives you around crazy. So let me show you how it works. First, you open Datablist. And now it will take me into my collection where I already have my list uploaded with my duplicated records. Now I click here on clean, choose the duplicates finder and select the columns I want to deduplicate on. For me, I will do a combination of first name and company name. So if two records with identical combinations of first name and company name exist in my collection, they will be counted as duplicate. Once I have done this, I click here on next and scroll down, click here on run duplicates check, and Datablist found 102 duplicates group in my collection. So I can just review them and then click here on auto merge duplicates when possible. And that's it. Now I go back into my collection, and as you can see here, I have no duplicates anymore. So these are all unique names, right? So here, unique combinations, right? So as you can see, it's easy, and the best thing about it, it's free. So just go to datablist.com, sign up, and deduplicate your list. Bye bye.